Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of Tutoria. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and it's so nice to see you again. Today we will draw a dog. I'll use this set which comes with 4 markers of different sizes, a mechanical pencil and an eraser. I'll begin with the mechanical pencil in case I make any mistakes. We start with the eye. Then we sketch the other eye and the nose, which are the 3 main landmarks in this case. Then the paws and the ears. I correct the nose because it should have been a little bit bigger, and also the paw a little bit bigger. We reinforce the lines and make the other ear and the paw bigger as well. Once you are happy with the sketch, you can go over it with the marker. We will use the finer one for now, which is a 03. For the black of the eye and for some darker lines, I'll use a 04. Once we have gone over all the lines, we can erase the pencil. But first, make sure the ink has dried completely, so that it doesn't smear. And now with the 06, we do the most intense shadows. If you are drawing with only one marker, it's not a problem. Just go over the darker lines again as needed. I'm back to the finer point. With short lines we make the shadows as well as the texture of the hair. As a general rule, try to make the lines in the same direction as the shape of the part you are drawing. This helps to show the volume. In the information below the video, I place a link to my materials blog where you can see pictures of the set I'm using. If you are watching the video in an external page to YouTube, you will have to go to YouTube to watch the video and then see this information. Of course, you can cross the lines, cross-hatching, to darken. Please let me know what do you think about the sad puppy and whether you want to see more videos of this kind. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. You know where to follow me and where the links are. And I'll see you on Tuesday.